Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with episode 5 of Ugliest Bathroom Makeover. So we are one step away from the big reveal. So in this week's episode, we'll be repurposing the wood from the old vanity to make a bathroom floating vanity. So as you can see, this is the old marble countertop. The vanity was extremely huge. It was outdated and traditional looking. So now I'm going for a more minimalistic look. So most definitely I'll have to cut down the unit. I'm now measuring and marking the size for the new counter. So basically we are going to cut it down to half the size so that we can get more space in the bathroom. So now my hubby is going to use the grinder to make the cut. While he's cutting, I'm pouring the water. Water is a vital part of stone cutting. It helps to prevent the tool from overheating, and it also helps to reduce the dust. This was our first time cutting stone, and we were very nervous because we did not want to break it. Getting a new marble or granite was definitely not in our budget. So now that the cut is successful, we are going to move on to the construction of the vanity. Guys, it's just a simple floating vanity with 2 doors and 1 open shelf. It's nothing too extravagant or over the top. I'm trying to keep it as simple as possible. Initially, I knew that I wanted a floating shelf, but I was not sure about the design until I saw some units at Active Traders. But now I'm creating my own design to suit my needs. I've always liked the space-saving wall-hung vanity unit with lower open shelf to store towels and other decorative items. So today I'm going to try to create a single shelf one. Now I'm adding the doors. I'll be using this piece of strip. It's a piece of molding strip. I'm using the strip to create a mold around the door. I don't have a router to put any groove in the molding, so I'm just gonna keep it plain and simple. Now I'm adding the 2 doors to the vanity. So this is how it turned out, plain and simple. So these 2 doors will hide the plumbing underneath, and I'll just have 1 open shelf. I'm now using a gray primer to prime it, after which I'll just spray it in black. So this is how the vanity turned out after it has been sprayed. This is a pair of French cleats. Earlier I used my saw to make it. Now I'm going to attach one part of the cleat to the vanity so that I can hang it to the wall properly. I like to use French cleat. It is one of the best ways to secure a cabinet to the wall, especially for floating units that do not have anything to support it at the bottom. So as you can see, the cleat is cut at a 30-degree angle, and I'm now attaching it to the wall. The other part has been attached to the vanity. So this cleat is made to be an interlocking system for the vanity. So these wedges in the wood will hold the unit securely while still allowing for easy removal. Now I'm just lifting the unit with the cleat on it, and I'm hooking it to the other cleat that is mounted on the wall. Now I'll screw both of the cleats together, then I'll have a secured unit. Now I'm placing the marble on the vanity along with the sink just to show you how secure this unit is. These are the doors. They will be attached later on. I have removed the sink just to level the marble on top. I am going to use silicone to secure these two pieces together. I'm now sanding the countertop. I'll be doing a DIY white marble countertop using epoxy resin, but I won't be doing that in this week's episode. Anytime after the big reveal, I'll upload a separate video on that. So guys, that's it for today. In next week's episode, you will get to see the total transformation of this bathroom. So stay tuned and thanks for watching. Bye. I'll see you in the next one.